we are going to do some reframing. I'm going to teach you guys how to reframe very, very easily, okay? And I have some examples here, and I want you to also participate in the chat because you know I'm right here in the chat. I'm right with y'all. So negative thinking and distorted thinking can make or break the pie. When you get up in the morning, you can literally be like, I'm going to have an amazing day. Today's going to be so awesome. Or, oh God, here we go again. Lord have mercy. So if you articulate and if you have a mindset that is negative, that is what you are going to create. You create your own destiny. You create the outcome that you have in your life. So if I say, I got an interview, but I probably won't get the job. Give me an example of how we can reframe that. I got an interview, but I probably won't get the job. How can I reframe that to a more optimistic, positive way? So I'm going to throw some things out and I want to hear from you guys as well. I got an interview. I am so appreciative. Now I get to learn more about the position. I got an interview. Now I get to show them my skill set and show them why I deserve the role. I got an interview. Now they know who I am. I got an interview. Even if I don't get this role, I might be qualified for another role that suits me better. All right. Someone said, I got an interview and I know I'm going to be everything they want. So I know I got this. Yes. I got an interview and I beat out thousands of people who applied. Okay. What else we got? Let me get one more. Let me get one more reframe of I got an interview, but I probably won't get the job. I got an interview. I can show them how I add value. Yes. I got an interview. I'm on my journey to success. Y'all in here cooking in the kitchen. I had to throw my phone down. Come on now. I got an interview. Now I can see, ooh, if the job is a good fit for me. Man, listen here, George. I'm going to tell you why you onto something. Many times we give the other person or the other entity control. You got an interview, but that doesn't mean the job is for you. That doesn't mean that if they pick you, that you must succumb to the job. It might not be a good fit, and now you get to learn. I got an interview. I can't wait to shine so bright. They will offer me the position before I walk out the door. Period. Yes. Y'all coming through. I'm loving it. All right. The next one. I don't have a large audience. It's a waste of time to go live. How can we reframe that? I don't have a large audience. It's a waste of time to go live. So I'll start and let's see what you guys got. I don't have a large audience, but if one person shows up, I'm making an impact. I don't have a large audience, but going live will help me to increase my audience one view at a time. I don't have a large audience, but I'll be able to practice my craft and practice going live so I'm more comfortable. Let me get some reframes. I don't see nothing in the chat. What's up, y'all? Let me get some reframes. I don't have a large audience, but everybody started off with 0. Okay. I don't have a large audience, but someone needs to hear me. Let's go, Jasmine. Even without an audience, I'm starting and getting comfortable with being on camera. Yes, Michelle. I don't have a large audience, but I'm laying the foundation for the masses. I have to build my audience so I can impact more people. Man, you know what? I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all don't need me. Y'all don't need me. What am I here for? I hope y'all laughing. My audience may be small, but I'm going live to strengthen my community. Just keep going when others quit on themselves. Yes, ma'am. I don't have a large audience, but I'm giving value to those who join me and those who will share with others. Most definitely. Whoo, y'all got, listen. Whoo. Okay, I'm just excited, y'all. I'm just excited. Y'all, I'm excited. All right, cool. Here's the last one. I'm not paying for that. I'm not paying that amount for that program. It's too expensive. Now, y'all, just a little transparency. This used to be me. I had a money mindset block, right? And I would tell myself that stuff was too expensive, that I couldn't afford it, or they were charging too much. So let's reframe that. That program has everything that I need, and I am worth the investment. I am paying for that program because I'm going to meet so many people and make connections and enhance my skills that the money will not matter. Michelle said, I am my best investment. Let's go. I need two more about this last one, y'all, because this is the main one that's holding us back. We out here going to the mall. We out here taking trips. We out here buying weave. We out here going out to eat, but we will not invest in ourselves if it's over a certain amount. We got to stop doing that, because guess what? Every time I invested in myself and I put the money to the side, meaning I didn't let that be a block, it came back to me threefold, no lie. This program will be an investment into myself and my business. Most definitely. I have to find a way to get in the room. Man, listen, I quit. I'm out of here. Y'all don't need me. Y'all don't need me. I'm paying for that program because it's an investment for me to get into the room with people who I want to connect with. Boom, boom, cat. All right. So let me know, because I want to make sure we're good. Is everybody